Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel, Dumpster Cam. I am finally back with another dumpster diving haul and it still is bad. It's just not a good haul, and I know that it's been 3 weeks since my last video, and again I just want to continue to apologize for when I take these long breaks. There's no purpose behind it and I definitely don't plan to do it, but these past 3 weeks specifically have been like the worst dumpster diving weeks that I have ever had. I have consistently been going out and doing my normal route, obviously looking in dumpsters, all the usual, and this for 3 weeks is all that I have found. Obviously, it's not like I'm obligated to find things dumpster diving or anything like that, but it's just disappointing when I take the time to go and I get my hopes up and then I don't find anything, and I can't give anything back to you. That's what's sad, because I haven't been able to put a video out. I just don't have anything. So again, I want to apologize for that. I keep doing this and I'm really sorry, but I just haven't had anything to share with you because I have found next to nothing, and I still have not much to show you, but I wanted to get a video out and let everyone know that I've been doing well, and I hope you guys are as well. And that everything is good over here, except for the dumpsters. But like I said, this happens sometimes. It has never been this long for me, I don't think, and this unsuccessful. But I won't let it get my hopes down. I'll keep dumpster diving, obviously, but hopefully in the future I'll be able to find some more fabulous hauls to share with you. But for now, let me just show you the few things that I do have. So, just right here on the chair, this is actually probably the best thing that I'm going to be able to show you today. It's this fabulous basket, and this actually didn't come from dumpster diving per se. I got this on the side of the road. Somebody was throwing it out in their normal trash. And it has like a little bit of a shorter lip right here in the front. And I have a blanket that I'm going to put in there, and hopefully one day I will be able to bring the cat that I feed outside in. And he would love to sleep right here. So that's my plan. His name is Beefy. He's a really cute little orange cat. He looks so soft, and I feed him every day. And maybe I'll try to put some pictures of him here at the end of this video. But yes, so I'm hoping one day Beefy will come in. Well, I named him Beefy. I don't know if he has a real name. And sleep right here. I do have a few things that I enjoy. I have 2 orchids right here, and these are actually in pretty good condition, especially this one. I'm going to give them some water today. And then they do have these nice little white ceramic pots. So just 2 orchids. It is plant season now, although it is cold here in Michigan at the moment. It's been cold for a few days now. But usually around Mother's Day is when a lot of houseplants get thrown out. Still from that same dumpster, I have a bunch of plants that were from Easter that are not in the best condition, but that is fine because I'm just going to let them die off and then harvest the bulbs and plant, especially the tulips, in my yard outside. So I have just 1 calla lily right here, 3 tulips. They say white pink, but they were more of a yellow, and then 2 regular lilies right there. So all of these are bulb plants that I can just cut the greenery off of and plant in the fall time, and they'll come back next spring. This again is not from store dumpster diving. It came from, again, the curb that somebody was throwing out. They were finally throwing out like their Christmas greenery, so I just dumped that and took this cool little metal pot. From CVS, I have 1 thing of sparkling grapefruit juice or soda, whatever you want to call it, in the bigger bottles, so that's a good find. I mean, I will definitely drink those. So that's great. And then, honestly, the last thing I have to share with you is this little box right here. I have 3 bunches of really nice bananas that I can either eat or freeze and then compost the peels. And then I have a whole bunch of blueberries, which at this point are looking a little bit moldy. So unfortunately, I think those might all have to be composted, but they won't go to waste and they won't rot in their little plastic containers for the rest of eternity. At least the blueberries can be composted. And then I do have 2 things from my P.O. box. I haven't checked it in a few days, so if you have sent anything and it's not here, don't worry, I haven't checked in a few days. But I did have an issue with my P.O. box there for a while, and I'm not sure why, but they just stopped delivering me things because it had my full name on the P.O. box and not Dumpster Cam, even though for the first, 4 months it wasn't an issue at all. So I just had to go in and talk to them, and now everything is all set. So if you had an issue, I'm really sorry. I don't know why it started happening, but everything is fixed now. You can send it as Dumpster Cam, Miss Cam, Cam, anything like that. So again, I'm very sorry. This first really nice card here is from Laura, and she actually sent $5, to continue helping those around me in need, how I do on the holidays and just in general and stuff like that. So I will definitely put that to good use. So thank you so much, Laura, again. And just a nice little card. And this next one here is from Helena. Super fun, beautiful handwriting. She wrote me a nice card. And she also sent me this fabulous foliage plant for modern living. This is from the 70s. She said she got it in 1973 when she was newly married. It's been to 7 states. And she sent it to me, which I think is so sweet. It's like a family heirloom. Now it's a cross-family heirloom. But it just has, bunch of different plants and how to care for them and everything. So I will definitely not throw this out, Helena. Thank you so much. And it is, it's gorgeous. I love that. Speaking of plants, let me show you my seeds that I've started. These are my vegetable seeds. These all came from the dollar store, honestly. I think seeds are all pretty decent no matter where you get them. I started these 2 or 3 weeks ago. I can't quite remember. But the peas and beans specifically are giant. I'm going to wait another week or two to take these outside because, like I said, it is still a little bit chilly here in Michigan. I don't have my little pamphlet out here, but I have a few different types of beans, peas, cucumbers, tomatoes, lettuce, maybe some kale. I can't remember everything I planted, but they're all sprouting and doing so well. And like I said, I'm going to take these outside in a few weeks. That's really it for the haul. I'm redecorating my living room at the moment, and I am excited to show that to you when it's all finished, but let me show you the inspiration for it. I'll keep you looking down for right now. So I found this chair at a thrift store, and it is very vintage, I guess you could say. It is a rocking chair, which is great. And it actually is a recliner as well. The little base pops out and you can kind of lay back. But I just loved the design of it, and the orange flowers I think were so fun. So I went for it. I bought it, and now I have been redecorating my living room to match this orange chair. So again, I'm very excited to share that with you soon. It's almost done. I just have to find a few more pieces. I've been trying to only buy things from thrift stores, so it's been super fun. So I'm excited to share that with you. And then I do have my cooking from the dumpster video still. I'm almost done with that. I started that back in like February. It's been so long. I just have to get one more thing in there, and then I can get that out for you. And then I have a few clips prepared for my house tour again, with no talking this time. It's just going to be before and after videos of my house. Yeah. So that's it. Again, I'm very, very sorry that it's taken so long, but I appreciate everyone who has stuck around or joined me in my hiatus. It's not ideal, but I have a few things to share with you today. Hopefully next time I'll have some more. Oh, you know what? I think I do have a few more things. Again, nothing crazy, but bear with me for just a second. I put them in my laundry room. One moment. Okay, I had completely forgotten about these because, like I said, it's been so long since I found anything. I just kind of put them in my laundry room to store while I was hopefully finding more things. But these all came from Aldi. I have a citrus juicer, like a little mechanical citrus juicer, which I am pumped about. I will definitely use that for orange juice. I find a ton of oranges, usually, that I can juice now, not by hand. So I haven't tested it out, but I'm going to assume that it's just fine. It looks absolutely brand new. And then also from Aldi, I got this handheld steam cleaner, which you know, I haven't ever really needed to use, but I will try to use that. I have from Big Lots one little tiny thing of graham cracker s'mores cake mix. That's exciting. A little thing of snack crackers, olive oil and sea salt. And then there's the steam cleaner. Not brand new, but still looks pretty new. Let me try to move that so I can show you this thing underneath it. Like I said, I'm in my laundry room. I have my Storybook Library. It's a huge little kids book. It includes stickers and stuff like that. And then when you open it up, it is literally just little tiny storybooks that go in, sorry, this is really bad filming right now, into the pockets of the bigger book here. And they're all here. All the stickers are here and everything. The stickers aren't even used. Brand new. So I have a few little kids in my life that I will be happy to give that to. And then the last few things, I can't believe I forgot about all of this. I have 2 pairs of leggings. Again, these were from Aldi. Just a blue one and a black one, super soft. And this is from Ollie's. It's a queen 7-piece comforter set. I'm not positive that everything's in there, but it looks like it is. And usually they tear things up and rip it all apart, but they didn't. It's not my style. It kind of reminds me of like a boy. Not that, you know, they're set comforters for anything, but that's, when I see this, I think of like a high school boy. But it is cute. Like the colors of it are cute, the light blue. So I probably won't be using that, but somebody definitely could. I could even donate it to the Humane Society. So we'll see what I end up doing with that. But there we go. That is actually the haul now. So I'll put some pictures of Beefy here at the end so you guys can enjoy him like I do. He comes right up to my porch, but he doesn't let me touch him or get super close yet. Anyways, thank you guys again for bearing with me and waiting it out. I'm sorry I keep doing this. You guys are the best. As always, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And I will be back soon with more dumpster diving, house-related, eating from the dumpster, anything of that sort videos soon. So, thank you.